tankers offloading, pipelines humming, storage tanks rising like silent giants in the morning sun. This is Follow the Money ExxonMobil versus Saudi Aramco. Oil doesn't just fuel engines. It fuels nations. It fuels industries. It fuels empires. On a sprawling export terminal near Houston, Jack Turner scans the horizon. He's ExxonMobil's logistics and export director. ExxonMobil is one of the world's most valuable publicly traded oil companies, worth roughly $525 billion. Jack believes in U.S. energy independence, in owning the whole chain from the ground to global markets. Across the docks, Omar Al-Fasal strides forward. He represents Saudi Aramco, the largest energy company on Earth, with a market value of $1.6 trillion. Aramco's oil fields hold reserves many times greater than ExxonMobil's. Behind Omar, Aramco tankers line up like steel leviathans, their crew destined for Asia, Europe, anywhere that will pay the premium. Jack walks beside a row of massive pipeline pumps. "Control production here," he says, "and you control what flows to every port. Build infrastructure, lock in long-term contracts. That's how wealth gets anchored." Omar watches a crude carrier back into a berth. "We don't just sell oil," he says. "We set the clock on pricing." Aramco's sheer scale, its production, its reserves, its ability to deliver volumes others can't, gives it influence over global pricing and supply shocks. That influence turns into capital, dividends, and billion-dollar projects. The rigs hum, workers swarm the docks. Jack's phone buzzes, an export delay. Omar's pager vibrates, demand surges in Asia. Neither man backs down. But the real power isn't just the oil itself. It's the network that moves it that's the real power. The terminals, the pipelines, the shipping lanes, the port contracts. The truth is, you don't need to own the oil to make money. You can build the midstream infrastructure, offer support services, or create specialized tech for pricing and routing. These are the gears that oil empires run on. Jack and Omar watch the tankers pull away. One sells Texas gold to the world. The other sells the world's energy. Both shape prices, both shape markets. But the infrastructure that moves the oil shows us where the real money flows. It doesn't flow underground. It flows where logistics meets demand. Thanks for watching.